All right, y'all, Bitcoin is dumping right now. It is dumping, and we have lost a crucial level of support. And so today we are going to be talking about what we need to be watching out for right now, because this really is crucial, guys. So make sure to like the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and let's get right into this analysis. So what is the major level that we have just lost? Well, if we take a look at some volume that we traded from about the 28th of December to the present day, we can see that we have officially, not only have we come back inside of this fair value area right here, okay, which, by the way, was resistance, 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 flipped into support, boom, lost, right? Lost. But we have also now come below this very important high volume node, and this is very, very significant. This is extremely significant because this was our major support on the way down. Not only was it a very high volume node, but if we pull our Fibonacci retracement tool from the swing low to the swing high, we can also see that we had our golden pocket retracement coming in right around there. And so what does this mean? Well, this is a little bit weak for Bitcoin. And if we go to a higher time frame like the weekly, there's something that I have not seen ever. In fact, nobody has ever seen this ever. If we turn on Market Cipher A on the weekly time frame, we have something called a blood diamond on the weekly time frame. Why is this so significant? Because we have not seen this in the history of Bitcoin trading on ByBit. Not only that, if we turn on the BLX chart, we have not seen this ever in the history of Bitcoin since its inception, ever, right? Going all the way back to 2010. And so this is quite significant. If this weekly candle, which by the way, has just opened yesterday, confirms with this blood diamond, I think it means we could come down much, much lower because these diamonds are calculated by EMA crossovers, okay? And EMAs, they do not joke around. Now, we can also see on the weekly time frame that the money flow on Market Cipher B is turning purple, okay? This is a very bearish sign as well, because if we go back in time to the BLX chart, we can see that every time the money flow on the weekly crosses from the blue into the purple, it means we get another 50% drop to the downside, okay? Another 50% drop to the downside. For example, the bull run of 2013, I'm sorry, this is the bull run of 2017. When we get that money flow crossover, it means the bottom is not in, right? We were holding support, bottom is not in, we get that money flow crossover, and we come down another 40%, give or take. Back in 2013 as well, if we zoom in here, we can see that, hang on, I gotta zoom out to get this. I should have had it on log mode, but we can see also when the money flow crosses from the blue into the purple, that gives us another, 50-ish% move to the downside. Now, let's take a look at what would happen if we do get another 50% move to the downside from here. That would actually take us down to about, if we get another 50% move to the downside, that would take us down to about $20,000. Now, why is that $20,000 area so significant? And also, if we come down a little bit farther, like let's say 55%, that would take us down to this $17,000 area. Why is this zone so important? Well, first of all, this is the retest of the previous bull market cycle. Now, I'm not saying this is going to happen. I'm just saying we need to be aware of some macro levels right here. Okay, this is the retest of the previous bull market. Not only that, we can see that we had this very significant rising wedge on Bitcoin on the weekly time frame. Okay, we hit our top in November, we broke out, retest, and now we are kind of on our way down. The target of this wedge, okay, is going to be between that $20,000, $17,000 to $20,000 area. So there's a lot of confluence there. Okay, just based on historical money flow crosses on the weekly. Now, something else. What has historically been the bottom signal for Bitcoin was a very deep momentum wave to the downside with a Big Ben BitBoy green dot on the weekly time frame as the money flow is purple. We can go back in time and see that was the bottom, right, in 2017. That was the bottom in 2013 for those bull markets. Okay, so we just potentially do need to be aware of these levels, especially now that we're getting this red dot on the weekly time frame. So the next major area of support that we do need to be aware of right now locally is going to be, I would say, the $39,000 level. The reason for that is because we have a lot of confluence down there at the $39,000 level. Again, if we look at the volume, we can see that that 39K area is giving us a lot of high volume as well as some other levels. We do have the Fibonacci golden pocket coming in right there as well. Now, we were able to take some shorts in the VIP Discord from some of these high levels, right? The short setup given in the VIP Discord from about 47.5-ish is the current short that we are in right now. Very, very juicy. The trade setup is given in advance in the VIP Discord. And we've also been able to scalp the whole way down, right? We've been able to scalp the whole way down. In fact, even this morning in the VIP live stream that we do every week for Bitcoin and Ethereum, we took a live scalp right here, live, as we were watching the market Cipher B, as we were watching the order flow, and we're looking and we're seeing that there are longs, shorts trapped down here. We're looking for shorts trapped, we're looking for divergences. So there is always opportunity in these markets, guys. There's opportunity to long, there's opportunity to short. Shout out to everybody who took that scalp this morning. It was a really nice stream. We streamed for the New York Open and we caught a nice scalp there live. If you want to join the Discord where we give our levels every single day, as well as potential trade setups, you can go to patreon.com/Jason Casper. If you want to learn to trade the way we trade, you can check out the course at jasoncaspertrading.com. There's currently a 25% discount on the course right now, link in the description. This will basically give you a very clearly defined point A to point B system so that you always know where you're looking to enter a trade, where to take your profit, where to set your stop loss, etc. If you do want to learn order flow and stuff like that, TPO, market profile, you can check out the advanced technical analysis course, link in the description. There's also a 15% discount for that. But in general, guys, the next major area of support that we need to be aware of is going to be this right here. I would say between 37 and 39,000. If we lose that box, right? If we lose that box, then I think it's very, very probable that we make our way down to those lower targets. Target number 1 is going to be, well, let's just go back to the BLX chart and we'll take a look. Target number 1, let's go to the weekly time frame, is going to be the golden pocket retracement from the Corona dump to the all-time high. That's going to be around 26 to 29,000. Target number 2 for me is going to be between the $17,000 to $20,000 level, where I will be looking for the bottom, especially if the weekly comes down and does something like this, what we've seen in the past. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. God bless everybody. I pray everybody is super blessed. Make sure to like the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.